Good morning. My name is Catrice Johnson, and I'm with the PowerLink Small Business Conference and Expo that's going to be taking place on May the 13th and 14th of this year. And I'm with Jim Sparks, who is over the UWF Entrepreneurship Program, and we're going to be discussing one of the workshops that he's going to be teaching, which is Social Entrepreneurship. Jim, welcome.
Thank you.
So Jim, tell me about tell me about what social entrepreneurship is.
Sure. So social entrepreneurship is, at its core, it is business and enterprise doing good, right?
Okay.
And so historically, people think of social enterprise as a nonprofit organization, someone that's tax advantaged because they are contributing to the benefit of society,
Right.
be it your city or your neighborhood or to your country or to the world.
Mm-hmm.
Over the past couple of decades, some of the business thinkers like Michael Porter have been talking about corporate social responsibility, and then it transitioned into creating shared value. And now today in 2020, we are at this place where we have what's called social entrepreneurship, and it's businesses that are using their organization and their wealth to create a positive change.
Okay. So what is the benefit of being a social entrepreneur?
Sure. First and foremost, it feels good, right? You're using your business as a force of positive change in your community,
Right.
in your employees' lives, and on a larger scale for the planet and for the whole community, right?
Mm-hmm.
And so historically, we look at what's called the triple bottom line: people, planet, and profits.
Okay.
And so the people component means that you're doing something good for the community, whatever scale your business is, right? So multinational organizations like Nestle, they look at their entire global impact, and they've actually started investing in the supply chain, like the farmers that grow their coffee.
Okay.
And they saw that by investing in these farmers and then investing all the way through the supply chain and the people, it actually smoothed out their supply chain. It saved them tons of money.
Okay.
And they made more profits because of it.
Wow.
And so it's this amazing transformative effect, right? And so that's really what it comes down to, is that it feels good, it's transformative for whatever scale. If you're a local business, it can impact your community. And then you invest in your employees, you ensure that you're paying fair wages and treating them well. And there's an environmental component as well, where you're at some point trying to make sure that you're helping the planet be a better place to.
So if you're a small business, let's say you only have you yourself that's in a business person, and you want to be a social entrepreneur, what are some of the steps that you can take as far as that is concerned?
Well, that's a great question, right? So as a solopreneur, it's one person going into business. One is to look at the opportunities that your community is facing, right? So if you see that you're in an area with a particularly troublesome education system, right? Then you might say, hey, this is somewhere that I can focus and impact, and then you figure out some transformative product or service or idea that you can then leverage to help with that, but while making money. So rather than starting a nonprofit, you can start a for-profit that has a product or a service that you can sell that directly benefits that cause.
Okay, so with that being said, these are some of the things you'll find out about being a part of this workshop. If you're interested in being a part of this workshop, please go to www.thepowerlinkexpo.com and sign up for the workshop. It will actually help you benefit your business, and we'd love to have you come on board. Thank you for talking. I'm Catrice Johnson with the PowerLink Expo. Looking forward to seeing you.